Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello pipeline for LinkedIn job applications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Trello website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by signing up with your email. Once logged in, navigate to the Trello homepage. Click on the Create New Board button to start a new project. Name your board something relevant, like LinkedIn job applications. Next, click on Create Board. You will now see Create lists for different stages of your job application process. Consider labels like Applied, Interviewing, and Offers. Now, click on Add a card under the first list to create your first application. In the card title, enter the job title of the position you applied for. In the card description, include important details. You might add the company name, position link, and application date. To further customize your card, click Show menu on the right side of the board. Select Power UPS from the menu options. In the Power UPS section, search for Trello's integration with LinkedIn. Once you find it, click Add to enable the power-up on your board. This will allow you to pull LinkedIn information directly into Trello. Now, return to your job application card. You can now link to your LinkedIn profile or the job posting. Next, click on the Due Date option within the card to set reminders for follow-ups. After setting your dates, you can add checklists or attachments if necessary. To keep track of your job applications, frequently update the status by moving cards between lists. Continue adding new cards for each job application you pursue. Periodically review your board to assess your progress. Use the comments section on each card to jot down thoughts or updates. With each step, enjoy the clarity and organization that Trello brings to your job application process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.